Hey friends, welcome back. It is the start of the week, and with the start of the week I like to do all of my beauty things. This morning I did my eyelashes, last night I did a facial, and right now I'm taking off my gel nails and I'm just gonna let my nails breathe for right now because I am experiencing a bit of a situation. And it's an ongoing situation that I've experienced for the past year and a half. So I did not wear polish on my nails for over a year after I gave birth, like during my pregnancy with my daughter, and then after giving birth to her, I did not wear nail polish. And that's because I had suddenly started experiencing like this itchy hand. And I didn't know what it was, still haven't even gotten it looked at. I just scheduled an appointment to get it looked at and sent pictures in and stuff. So hopefully I can figure it out and confirm whether or not it's what I think it is. So I'm gonna get to that. So I had not worn polish for over a year and I had this itchy hand. Nothing with my nails, it was just this itchy hand, like always itchy, and dry skin on my hand, just the palm of my hand. Then about, I'd say maybe like 8 months ago, I don't think it's been a year now, but maybe about 8 months ago, I started experiencing like dryness along my fingertips, like right here. And then my nails started to lift up. Now, that happened and then it went away. Like my nails were healthy and they went away. And then I started doing gel nails again, right? I applied gel nails for the first time a couple of months ago, and then last week my nails start to lift again. So I'm gonna remove the gel nails, and I started using a drill to take off the gel nails. I'm very careful. I use a base coat. I try to be as careful as possible, but I need to get this off so that I can assess the situation. What I think is going on here, I'm guessing we've got ice dropping. My kitchen's right here. I'm guessing it's either eczema or psoriasis. Now, my whole life I have battled with eczema. Not my whole life. As a child, I battled with eczema. In my 20s, I was not really suffering from it that much, only was having like scalp problems, and I've openly talked about my scalp problems, and I wasn't sure if it was eczema or psoriasis. Your girl is like the queen of self-diagnosing, and I never got my scalp checked by like a professional. I very much so should have, because now I am experiencing these hand problems, this itchy hand, chronically dry, always itchy, and then like now my nail beds, and I think I kind of panicked with the nail bed thing because my whole life I've always just had really great nails, not to toot my horn, but I've always had really great nails. So it's kind of freaking me out to see my nails in this condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this stuff. I did want to talk about the gel polish that I use because I'm still going to do the gel on my toes. I have to have some color in my life. So Nail Reserve, I've been using them for years. I actually have some old videos using Nail Reserve, but I've been using them for years, and I have some of their beautiful new colors right here, and they gave me a link special for you guys, and you'll get 60% off of your Nail Reserve order when you use my link below. So there's a little plug right there, and I'm so grateful that they send me these gel polishes because I love gel. I love doing my own nails, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to give my fingers a break until I get seen by a doctor or dermatologist, wherever they suggest I go in the next coming weeks. And I'll just do my toes for the time being. So yeah, I'm gonna take it off using my drill. I'm gonna link everything that I'm using today down below in the description so you guys can easily pick up whatever you want to pick up. And the little nail stickers that I'm using are super adorable. They're from Amazon as well. So let's take these gel nails off and take a look at the mess underneath. have a look at my nails. Okay, so I didn't perfectly get the gel off. I didn't want to drill too much, but if you can see like where the white is, that is not like, look right here, this is a drastic one. This is a little bit more. What I am gonna do today, I'm like not even going to stress out about like getting it perfectly situated. Number one thing for me is just getting my nails back to health, getting my hands back to health. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see, but like the skin right here is just like, it's not like, you can't see it. The skin is not like all of the other skin. It's like really itchy and peely, and it's really just in this one spot on this one hand, and it's been like this for months. And I didn't know what it was. I still don't know what it is. So I have an appointment to with my primary so we can figure out, so I can figure out a specialist to go to figure this out. I have some pictures in my phone from like previous times on this hand where it was like really bright red right here, and like underneath the skin you could see like blood, like patches of blood. But I'm guessing that could be from like just like the itching and like the scratching. But I don't know. It's been months and it has not gone to any other place on my body. It's just my hand. I do recall like 7 or 8 years ago, I remember having like this same itch on my foot, and it was like the skin on my foot. And I went to the doctor and they were just like, we don't know what it is. It's not athlete's foot, and they didn't give me anything for it. They just told me to use hydrocortisone to like help with the itching and such. And then it went away and I never experienced it again. So I can compare the way that my hand feels to my foot. And then when I started like doing research for my hand, I saw the first thing that came up is psoriasis, eczema. And my hand looks a lot like those. My nails look a lot like those. But also, I do also want to rule out that I'm not having it. But I mean, this was happening before the gel. But I'm pretty sure that the gel isn't making things better, because I could also be having a reaction to the gel. Even though on my feet, it's perfectly fine. But just the way my nails look, this is just concerning. Like, I don't even know if you guys can tell how the nail is lifted up from the nail bed. This is just not normal. Like, at all. At all. So I'm just gonna cut my nails down, file them, and yeah, wait for this appointment. It's unfortunate, but yeah, my hands are extremely dry. Big ups to myself for like not just sitting around and accepting my self-diagnosis of eczema or psoriasis. I'm definitely gonna, you know, go to the doctor. I also have a series of videos like with my numerous doctor visits and car talks on my way to and from doctor's appointments, and that's been like 3 months in the making, and I haven't released it because I am still kind of working on it. So I think I'm just gonna wrap that video up and finally share it with you guys. But yeah, it's all about health and stuff. Yeah, so now I'm filing my nails. I just cut them. I'm just gonna file them. I'm not even gonna put clear on them. I'm just gonna put some oil on them. I read online that tea tree oil is good when you're having breakouts, not breakouts, when you're having like nail issues. So I have some tea tree oil. I'm gonna dilute that and put that on my nails. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated for future. Let me know if you have had any of these problems that I mentioned today. What was it for you? Were you allergic to gel? Was it eczema or psoriasis? Thankfully, I'm not having any other like symptoms that I see people having. So wish me luck. Until next time, you guys, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.